Hey guys, this is Steven from Legit Tech Tutorials, Legit Mobile, and Legit PC. So welcome to the last video of the Ava's Game series, which is my introduction to Construct 3 tutorial series. So we published 2 weeks ago. It turned out that it took about a week or 5 days or something like that. I think it was 5 days to a week, if I can remember, for it to be approved. So we are now approved, and it says it's now live on the App Store, Google Play Store. So let's go ahead and jump on here, and you can see it uses the Construct logo. And here it is on the Play Store. So you can see here it says the Legit Mobile and Music. So let's see if I can send this to myself. Let's see if we could find it. On my phone. Sure. So let's log into here, and then let's send it to my phone. So I'm just going to send an email to myself, install it on my phone, see how it works, listen to the audio, and then what we're going to do is we're going to publish an update for it, but we're probably not going to see an update for it. I just watched a YouTube video to make sure I get it right. And it says it's about 20-30 minute rollout for an update, and you don't have to wait the week for the update. It's 20 to 30 minutes for the rollout. So we're probably not going to see it in this video here, see the update rollout. And basically what I'm going to do for my update is basically send myself, is basically put like my name here, made by whatever, by Steven Mosberger. That's all I'm going to do in my update, and then you'll see that, because I think I did change it where you could do both orientations. If I haven't, I'm going to change that also in the update, is to be able to do portrait and landscape. So subject, this is Ava's Gameplay Store, and there we go. Okay, so let's go here and see if it will come up. And otherwise, I'm going to have to search it somehow. There it is. Let's see here. It opened it in Chrome. Okay, so it says I have it installed, so I need to go over here and uninstall it on my phone. Oops, I accidentally exited out too quick. So uninstall. It is now uninstalled. Okay, so it is showing up, and it says legitmobile@gmail.com. My niece Ava's game to test Construct 3. It is on the Google Play Store. You can see it is here. How to exactly find it, I'm not exactly sure. I guess you could just search for the Legit Mobile. They might have some sort of filters. So maybe you could see, well, we could try. We could duplicate this. So while it's installing, oh, it says I do not have enough space on my phone, so I'm going to have to, well, I just uninstalled it. Oh, it might be bigger than it normally is supposed to be. Let's get rid of this one. Oops. Verified by Play Protect. So it has been verified, and it seems that it's 5.66 meg download. So basically download instantly within 5-6 seconds. And we've already, after installing it, we've already opened it. So let's go ahead and take a look here. It's running. Construct 3 splash screen works. Let's go ahead and turn up my volume here. Okay.
Pig. Cat. Rooster. Duck. Pig. Sheep.
Okay, let's see. Does it work? It does not work in portrait mode. So that's one of the things that we're going to change. So now we do have it installed. Oh, and it shows here that we have it installed on our phone. So it knows that we have it installed here on our phone locally. So that is good. Obviously no reviews, and I don't think we have any sort of downloads or anything at this point. 5.96, it said 5.66. Interesting. Anyways, let's go ahead and log in here. Now, they need to fix this on Construct, where it logs in, but then logs me in as a guest when I launch Construct. See, it says guest, even though, let me get update. Not now. And then I have to go here and log in again, and then log back in Legit Mobile. Very annoying. Anyways, Ava's game ready to sign, and we're basically going to create another object here. Add. Oh man, I can't even remember how to do some of this stuff already. Oh, insert new object. Here we go. Text. This text. Insert. This might blow it up though when you rotate it. We'll see. I'm just gonna say the text here, made by Steven. Let's see, can we do an enter? What does this button do? Oh, here we go. Nope. So it does not look like you can do some sort of paragraph. That's kind of annoying. And then let's go ahead and do insert new object. Okay, so there we go, and then basically we'll save it to local disk, and everything I want to do, go here and, where is it, here, project properties, any orientation, sampling, trilinear, everything is good. Oh no, we don't need to do that. For size, cool. Okay, and then we're gonna do this new version, 1.0.0.1. It's just a simple fix. Actually, well, let's just say that this is a big fix. So we're gonna do version 1.1. So that's gonna be a new one, and then we're gonna use our key and all that stuff. So let's go ahead, and everything should be good. So just in case, let's save it. Update final version, and we're just going to save it. Alright, then let's go ahead and output project export, and let's export to Android Cordova, recompress, deduplicate, minify, advanced, and really I just suggest you do all that stuff. Oh. Okay, so key store, and then we needed to name it the same. What was it before? I think it was key store, right? Downloads. Oh, I think I have it inside the Ava's game, I think is where I put it. That's in videos. Hard drive spinning up. There it goes. Okay. Yeah, I think I put it inside game version. Key store. What did I call it? Oh, I think I sent it to myself. The name of it, just so I remember. I think it's here. It was last key. Oh, there we go. Key store's production. Key is production. Production, and that's the standard. So, and that's what it says. That's what it said up here when you create it. Remember, it said in the name or whatever. It said production. So make sure you remember that. Production. Alright, so let's go ahead and get ready to publish this. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to publish this. Basically, we are going to go here, and we're going to go Release Management, and we're going to manage releases. It says 100% live, 1 APK added, and we're going to go here. Okay, full rollout. So this is our APK version code 1 million. I don't know why it's that big. And again, this was only 5.66. I don't know why it does that. So let's go ahead and create a release. And then now we're going to wait for this to complete. And when it completes, we're going to push it to there. And then we're going to see if we can get it to update. I mean, we only have 15 minutes here until we have to basically close this video out and then finish this series for the last time. So basically, to talk about it, I'm not sure exactly what series I'm going to do to take this place. I do want to do more stuff in Construct, so obviously I paid $100 for the year, so I need to think about what's the next thing to do. If I'm going to make the next game in Construct that I'm thinking of making, most of what I was thinking of making in Unity. So I'm going to have to think about what I want to do. Because obviously this game is just like for fun. So maybe I'll come up with like another fun game or something for Construct 3. And then keep doing kind of the commercial ones in Unity. Or try to do a commercial one in this one. I don't really have a lot of game ideas that Construct will really use. I mean, so I do have a lot of game ideas that would be able to use Construct. For example, I mean, I probably wouldn't do the Advance Wars one, but I would probably do the and I probably wouldn't do the what's it called, the Lego what's it called? Lego Rock Raiders one either, but I could do the Crimson Sky equivalent one, kind of. That one would work. You could do Zombie Alamo in Construct. That might be something I would do, is redo Zombie Alamo in Construct and see how hard it is to do. It's probably going to be a lot easier, but obviously Construct, you're going to run out of that very, very quickly, because of it doesn't have any sort of 3D. Oops. Ava's game. Android signed APK. Why does it say? Okay, so we have it there. So let's go back here, and we're gonna drag and drop Ava's game. And so Ava's game, Android.sign APK. And there we go, super easy to upload. Okay, there you go. See, version 1, 0.1 features 1. Features 2. I don't know what that means. Anyways, so copy from previously released copy. Why is it asking me for more? It's very strange. Missing something. Did I not sign it correctly? Fake touch, huh? $10,052 devices. Okay, let me watch this video again, because I'm missing something. What the heck did I do? What do you do? Hit save. Oh, okay. So you had to hit save first. Okay. There we go. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Start rollout to production. So it's going to deactivate this other APK. Okay, so there we go. Version 1.1.00. So it says full rollout. So here's the thing is that you go down here, it says version. Now if you check, yeah, see it's not yet done it. So you can see here update October 14th. So that was 9 days ago. Oh, so that tells you when it was pushed. So let's see when that was. I think I did it like here. Let's see. Let's go on my channel. So that will give us an idea. Okay, so let's go on my channel. I forgot what the name of my own channel was. Weird. Okay, so let's see. Construct 16 was October 14th. So yeah, that was 9 days ago. So it said uploaded 14th, and so 14th, and I probably saw it here, and then I finally got to making the video today. So it took about a week to upload it. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see it. It's very, very small. It should be very fast, but we haven't seen it yet. Requires Android 5.0 and up, so cannot be used on my tablet, my old tablet, so that kind of sucks. I like these two pictures. Those are nice. Okay, so yeah, so I need to find out. Let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the future of using Construct and the future series that I have planned. Basically, the short of it is I don't have any plans so far. I do want to make some more games. One of them that I wanted to look at is what is the comparison between Construct 3 and the speed of making a game in Unity, and can you really be as competitive as if you went 1v1, one person on this team and one person against a Unity team, on one person team on Construct, one person team on Unity. Can you really be as competitive as far as speed is concerned on developing Zombie Alamo? Now, I'm thinking that you definitely can, and you could probably develop faster in Construct 3. Obviously, you're limited on the size of the game because it's going to start to get complex very quickly. Obviously, on Unity, you're complex from the beginning, but on Construct 3, you get extremely complex extremely quickly. I mean, you get very simple, and then all of a sudden you're going to hit a wall where it's very, very difficult to read. And that page is going to be gigantic, the layout page. You're going to be in here, and this page is going to be gigantic, this event sheet. But I think you create multiple event sheets. So that might be your saving grace, is to create another event sheet. Can you do that? And you could do JavaScript, so that's another way of doing it. Let's see. Oh, right click on event sheet folder, add new event sheet. Cool. So I guess you create, I don't know how many event sheets, but this might help it, and I think it could probably talk back and forth, because basically it's just going to have a whole bunch of global variables, and you could probably just handle them back and forth. You don't have to worry about the having something static or public or anything like that, having those kinds of issues. So I'm thinking at the end of the day, you're probably faster developing on Construct 3, whether you are a programmer or not. I think that you would be able to really pump these games out using Construct 3. Now, could you publish to lower than 5.0 on the game store? Probably, but obviously with most people that have modern technology, for example, I have this LG phone that's $20 that I bought. Actually, I got it for $17. Has 5.0 on it, right? So if they don't have it, they're way behind on the right Android releases. So I think it's an amazing engine, and I really want to do more with it. But the issue is that I use Unity to keep me up to date on programming, quite a bit, so I keep that fresh. So I'm worried, that if I went if I personally wanted to, I didn't care whether I programmed or not, and I just wanted to make games, and I only wanted to make 2D games, I'd probably just use Construct 3. It'd probably be way quicker and simpler to make the projects, and also I guess it's kind of cheaper. It's just $100 for the year and then you can make as many games as you want, and as long as you just have one seat. And it has the sprite editor, and it has the animation editor, and it has all that stuff built in. So I think that it's definitely got its heads up, a couple heads up on the competition as far as that is concerned. So I would definitely look into doing further stuff here. I might do some games that I really don't, that are really too small to really mess around in Unity or something, or maybe some other, non-commercial projects. The non-commercial project, because the thing with Unity is that I think that you'd be able to get it faster because you have a lot more control over the code and the code reuse. But you could also make it very slow, quite a bit slower. But I think that probably the construct can pack the APK way smaller than in Unity. So, and obviously this scripting engine is very, very simple to work with. So I'm very happy with the experience here. Obviously, this is a lot of bugs, and they have to work on that. A lot of crashes. They also have to work on that. So what I might do is I might send the Construct team this series, and show them that, hey, I had multiple bugs, and they could definitely be fixed in my experience with the game engine itself. Alright, so we have about two and a half minutes. So let's go back here on my channel here, and let's talk about how long this series took. So if we look here, this is Construct video 17. So if you're talking 17 divided by 2, it took about 8.5 hours to make this game, to talk about this game, to talk about the concept of this game, find the assets online. So talk about the game, find the assets online, do audio, edit the audio, make some of our own audio, do all the scripting, do some art, obviously from scratch, this little circle arc thing in Paint, then publish. Well, first we built it, pushed it to the phone, just sent it to the phone, set up the phone so the phone will be able to install it without being on the App Store. Played it on the phone went well, published the app, so tested it basically, published the app, made some changes, and then updated the app. Speaking of which, let's see, it's probably done. Nope. So yeah, we're not going to be able to see it here in this video, but I don't think it's worth doing another video on it. If you want to see what changed, go ahead and download Ava's game. So if you want, here it is right here, play.google.com/store/apps details $ID = com.thelegitmobile.avasgame. So maybe even if you put in com.avasgame, you'll be able to see that down here it'll say 1.1, and then you could click on, yep, there it is. Just type in com.thelegitmobile.avasgame, and there it is. And with that, you'll be able to install version 1.1 and see what changed. But obviously, it's just going to go from landscape to portrait, and it's going to have my name on it, and made in Construct 3. So go ahead and check that out if you are interested. And I will be working on a future series for this game engine. And yeah, so thank you guys for joining me in this journey of actually published this. I've made a couple games, but this is the first game ever that I've actually published to the Play Store. So stay tuned. I'd even do the Unity introduction to Unity one, so I'd even publish that one. Maybe I should find it, publish it. Anyways, so I'll figure out some more games for this guy and work on those. And in the meantime, if you're interested, watch the Unity series as we finish up Zombie Alamo and publish. And for that one, be paid. And in the meantime, thanks for watching. Take it easy, and I will see you guys in the next series. Take it easy. Peace.